So guys, uh, let's begin with today. Okay. So most probably we had this breakout yesterday, but unfortunately due to the manipulation we got stopped out. And then after a late night, it gave the confirmation that it is going to go up. So what I am able to see today here is we are still into the buys, and we will trigger mostly the buys for the ट्रेड ओके तो आज क्या करेंगे हम मोस्ट प्रोबेबली तो सो वी विल वी विल सी वेयर आर द लेवल्स सो ये हाई ब्रेक होने के बाद वी विल स्टार्ट बाइंग ठीक है क्योंकि दैट इज द मोस्ट न्यू हाई और यहाँ पे लिक्विडिटी भी ग्रैब कर ली इसने अभी ठीक है एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई विल शो द अकाउंट सो आई गेस आई डिड नॉट ओपन इट 1 minute only. Why the fuck the live site is currently unavailable? Why? क्यों भाई? Okay, so here is the account. We are into the $1,200 profits still after losing yesterday. How much? I guess $1,500. Yeah, so it was an $1,800. Okay, with the commission and all. So I used 5 ka standard lot. It gave me the result of minus $1,800. Trade were taken two. One was 0.11. I for to check the slippage, and one was of 5 standard lots. Okay, and yes, everything is in front of you. So this is the account number. Okay, 100K, 2 steps, everything is in front of you guys. So then let's begin with the day. So what I'm able to see here is what we had yesterday was we tried to buy from this area, and soon as we get entered, it actually got manipulated due to the some fundamental shit going on, and Trump is trying to throw out that Powell. So yeah, so that was the reason yesterday I knew ki for that reason we had to face the stop loss, and then we finally reached towards the target. So the thing which I was expecting yesterday happened at late night, and if you could able to see yesterday, it was a very high volume, and for the reason that the Trump is doing some his work regarding the Powell, and if we able to see, we have this liquidity still pending. It took away the liquidity, it flied above. So what we will do, we will just try to grab above this, and if it is not happening, then we will wait for this area. Okay, so that is the plan for today. There's no plan. इसके अलावा कोई प्लान नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे. So let's see if we can able to just break this high. ठीक है, if we did break that high, then the liquidity will be confirmed also, and we could get a nice push towards the upside. And for today, what I was hoping was I wanted the price to go above this resistance zone which we had this on this area. So what we'll do, we will just mark this just for the confluence that if we are going to buy at that price, we must know we are at the resistance level. Okay, so this is the resistance level which I am able to see. यहाँ पे उसका रिएक्शन नहीं आया, तो इसका मतलब यहाँ पे रिएक्शन नहीं आएगा ऐसा नहीं है. यहाँ पे भी रिएक्शन आप देख सकते हो. We just had a nice push towards the downside. We flied back, but due to the liquidations, this first liquidation, second liquidation, it took the liquidity of internal structure, and then it started to fly above this area. ठीक है, So we will wait for the 15-minute candle closure, then we will see if we are getting good structure. ठीक है, we will not force today. अगर trade होगा तो ठीक है, अगर नहीं होगा तो waiting ही करेंगे. Just because of this, manipulation of price, like it has to go up only, but still, waiting on a particular price for a long time, so it gives trader not a free breathing space to hold the trades. For example, if a trader would have caught the confluence of buying from this area, what it did was it just broke this. It took out the liquidity and then flied about. Okay. And yesterday also what happened was we had this confluence that if this thing breaks, it will continue. It did continue, but what happened was we actually got entered here. It gave us a dip retracement, and then it finally started breaking the highs, and it went up towards the take profit. So there was nothing we can do for that, and you all guys should be know that we cannot do anything when the price is about to manipulate the traders. And yes, we were here trapped. And then for today, when I, like yesterday also I told, we could have a nice push towards the upside. And yes, this is the following breakout, and then this is the retracement, and we are continuing for the bullish side only. Okay, so we will just expect that if we are getting in, then we need this breakout of this resistance. Once this resistance break, it will act as a support level. Then the first target we could achieve is 34, how much? 34, 33. So it is a nice pips there, lovely and fresh. Okay, so we have a 300 points above this area. So let's see. Okay, so why it is not, so why the live chat is not available? Guys, I'm really sorry I could not see the live chat for some reason. I have no idea why it is not visible there on screen. It is telling me sorry, live chat is currently unavailable. So what can be done here? What can be possibly done here, guys? Guys, I'm really sorry. I'm not able to see the. I'm not able to see the live chats due to some reasons, and I'm not aware why it is not showing. So let's just place the trade and I will figure it out. क्योंकि अभी मैं देख रहा था तो मुझे कोई settings नहीं दिख रही है यहाँ पे. Like it could be visible for you, but it is not visible for me. यहाँ पे मुझे directly आ रहा है the live chat is currently unavailable करके. So I still have no idea. I'm trying it. I have no idea कि मेरा मेरा आवाज क्लियर भी है या नहीं है, क्योंकि मुझे आई एम लिटरली ब्लाइंड राइट नाउ बिकॉज आई हैव नो आइडिया लाइव मतलब अब आपके साथ डिस्कशन भी क्या करूँ. सो देखते हैं ना. चलो लेट्स गो. So what I'm waiting here is 15 minutes का closure above this break, ठीक है. Once the price start breaking above the high, we could easily see that yes, we are able to go for the upside. And if it is not doing that, then we have to wait until this area, ठीक है. So this is the area where we can able to see a change of character, and you should know why it is a change of character. Now I need not to explain this. Just make sure if we start trading below this level, then the first target could easily be this area, okay, and the second target could easily be this area. But just when it is going for the sells, right? And if it is going for buys, then I have a straight target of this. This could be the first target of mine, okay. So it is like 34.20. The second target I will expect from gold is 34.33, and the third target will go for this wick, which is 34.38. And once it's start breaking this wick, then you can expect the all-time high. Not all-time high, but we have a pretty huge resistance over this area. So we can at least expect that it should go and test. And if it is going and continuing for the upside, then yes, we could see a new all-time highs, all-time high is coming, okay. So this is the again example of waiting properly on your levels. If you would have jumped for the buys, and this spike would have been the exact opposite side for us, and then yeah, we just survived this, so congratulations. So what we will do now here is we will just wait for the smaller time frame to change its direction, okay. And once it gives the confirmation that yes, this liquidity is valid, and okay, so here we have the confirmations that the liquidity is valid. We will just wait for this structure to get activated, and then we will jump for the buys, okay. So this is this spike, and from yesterday, if you observe price, then we had just entered toward this area just after the breakout, and we followed everything which was planned accordingly. Just one thing I missed out yesterday was just a closing of M5, which I misunderstood with M3 time frame. So what I will do mostly, then I will just remove this time frame, just for the reason if I like the mistake should not be repeated, right? So guys, yesterday what happened was where we were, yeah, so this area. Once the price start breaking out, so what is the criteria of entering? 15-minute closure, right? So we had the 15-minute close above that area. So where it is, yeah, so it is here. So we eventually have the 15 minutes closure on this particular area. then we took this confluence, then we went for the M5. And what happened here yesterday was, when I was doing the journal, so I got to know that it actually just liquidated the high and trapped me for my bias. Okay, so what I did, I went for the M1 for my entries, and where it is. Okay. Whoa, where it is. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है भाई? कल का नहीं दिख रहा है क्या? So yeah, so it is here. So what happened, we just start buying without the waiting of M1. Like so M1 got M1 candle got closed above this area. We took this trade, we placed our stops nearby. We were expecting 1:3 here, but what happened, it just gave a nice red candle towards the stop loss. It throw us out, and then it went dip down there. So yeah, the structure was invalid as well. So अगर देखो, कल अगर हमने वैसे भी अच्छे मतलब विदाउट एनी मिस्टेक, इफ यू वुड हैव टुक द ट्रेड, तभी भी हमारा एसएल जाना ही था, क्योंकि द मैनिपुलेशन वाज देयर इन द मार्केट. So that is the reason why I had to face the stop loss. But if you could see the bias, and if you could see the chart reading, so it was a very perfect trade. If it just started pulling from this area, it took a big retracement and started going towards the our target. And of course we have to just get out of this zone. We don't, and also we did not chase any price, even if we are knowing that price will go up. We just waited patiently. Now for today, what I have here is, I have a very simple structure forming, which is this is the high, this is the low. Okay, so we got the break of structure over here, but I'm not considering that break of structure because it is not that clear for me. So, okay, sorry, it is 2R. Okay, what is 2R doing here? Okay, so according to the 1 hour time frame, we have this a lovely breakout structure over this area. We have this low as a liquidity low. It pulled the liquidity. Now I'm just waiting for the price to turn for the buying. Okay, and once it turned to the buying side, buying area, then we could easily see that, yeah, we could easily catch the price for the upside. And let's see. Okay, so everything is now again sync. Even if we face stop loss today, it is still okay. It is a part of the game, just because price is not that clearly moving. Okay, and I guess today we have some news coming, so let's just check. So here we have the news coming, which is the okay, so we don't have any news incoming. Okay, so now what we have here is, we have the weekly closing. Okay, keep that in mind, because weekly closings are crucial ones, and for that reason, the Fridays are most of the time unprofitable. And because the closing of weekly candle is there, and the mostly the closing of weekly and the daily, of course there will be the daily closing, but the bigger time frame candle is closing, so it might start the continuation of smaller time frame, or it can just stuck to this area, and it won't move any further. So that is the reason I'm looking for the breakout of this resistance. Once this resistance break, we are going to enter, of course, without any doubt. There is the good entry. And look, we are very sync with everything now. So let's hope that we could have like good trade today. And if it is not making any sense today, we will just stop ourselves. We will consider this week as a slow week, and we will plan for the next week. And as I told you, next week could be the good one, just because we are having a good volume in that week due to the news incoming, CPI, PPI, everything, unemployment claim as well. And on Friday we are not going to stream next week, just because we have a holiday on Euro. And with my experience, if you ask, if any major currency pair has a bank holiday, so it might, just create chaos in the volume cycle. And for that reason we are not going to stream on Fridays. So make that sure as I'm announcing it priorly only. So yeah, so this was the reason I explained the yesterday trade. I explained everything now, why I'm betting and everything. So yeah, so it is what it is. Now we have to just wait for the breakouts of our levels. Once it start breaking the highs of this area, we could easily see the momentum kicking in and kicks in, and we could easily go for the buys. Okay. ओके, व्हाट आई विल डू गाइस, मेरे फ़ोन में मैंने वीडियो का लिंक ले लिया है, एंड आई एम एबल टू सी हियर इज व्हाट लाइव चैट्स। यहाँ से मैं आपको क्वेश्चन, लाइक आई कुड आंसर यू हियर, ठीक है। हाय स्कल्पर, गुड इवनिंग। हाय यूसी, गुड इवनिंग। हाय जुबैर, गुड इवनिंग। हाय जस्ट। हाय बिलाल। हाय जुबैर। नो वॉइस, व्हाट द फक, अभी आ रहा है ना? हेलो विवेक, गुड इवनिंग। Hello, Samrat. Good evening. Samrat Meterbox. Hi, hi, hi. I really hope you are all doing good. So I explained everything, okay? And if you were not available there, you please just revise the stream, okay? Hello, Suraj. How are you? So eventually we will, consider that this week was very slow for us, a very, very slow week. And yes, that is so normal, basically. It is nothing like a, any रॉकेट साइंस वाला थिंग। ये ठेका वापस चालू हो रहा है जुगाड़, क्या करें। Suraj, it is not possible for a one recap because it is I have explained in depth today. So you just recap the stream only. You will come to know after the stream ends. You can go through the video. I have explained everything about the yesterday's trade. What are the structures in the market right now, and why I am expecting that why the upcoming week could be good for us. Okay. So we are just stuck into the price action just because of the Trump blessings to the traders. ठेका इज मैंडेटरी, अरे भाई उसको वो, आई हैव नो आइडिया, बट अगर उसको कोई टच हो जाता है तो वो ठेका चालू कर देता है। Okay, guys, so we are not having still a good confirmations for any trade. What we will do is just wait for the price to give us the confirmation. Okay, so like yesterday we did, I don't wish to get trapped in between the internal structures. Once the outer structure starts breaking, I will just enter. I'll place my stop loss, and the outcome is depend on the market. Depends on the market, of course. What is SMC? What is SMC? I have no idea what is SMC. SMC is the support resistance concept which is explained on a good vocabulary of English. Okay? That only I can see, or that only I can able to see. So ये जो demand, supply, and everything shit they use, it is nothing, just a support resistance, guys. Make sure you don't get in trap with that SMC things. Today it is so. I was actually excited today for the streams, just because at the morning we have a good trade, and also the price was into the good volume, and on 5:30 I saw a good breakout towards the upside, but again it started pushing back towards the levels, and yeah, so we just got to wait today also, and we are not that late. It is just 6:32. We are just entered the New York session, and I really hope for till 7 or 7:30 we could easily see the nice. We can easily see a nice about volume, right? My friend uses supply demand. He must be watching streams. I'm sure for of whom you are talking. Today's diet search. हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन मुझे कल भी आया था कि सर जी डाइट वगैरह, सो even mine too, guys. Today's diet. So basically, what I am having is no sugar wala coke, just to feel heavy. Okay, so it contains no sugar, no calories. So I researched it. It won't harm my diet anyway. It is just because I should feel, no, I should not feel empty in the stomach, and hunger should not attack me for any other reason. So that is the reason I'm having that no sugar wala or diet friendly coke. Oh, Samrat meter works. Oh, okay. I got to know who is this. It's Ansar only, right? अरे यार. Okay, honestly, I will continue the workout after the streams, just because today at the morning I was late. Usually I woke up at 5 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. only, but due to some reasons or due to the tiredness, I woke up not that early, and so I just started to trade Asia. After that, I had a good meditation session, And after that, I have some work, so I just completed it. And then I am doing streams right now. Once the stream is done, I will go for a run. I have a very lovely atmosphere just around the corners, so it is too fresh here, to be honest. So as you can able to see, guys, there is nothing today for us, and yeah, we will just not try to force our trade, and we'll just wait. Even if it takes months, guys, it is very clear now inside my mind. Even if it takes months to clear first phase, I will do the same shit which I am doing from the last 3 to 4 years. Okay, so anyone, if you want to take doubt, please take doubts. I'm here to give you doubts only, and the level of a transparency I'm able to show me same way with your channel. Then we will have some meetings, we will talk as a man to man. I completed my workout early at 6. That's good for you, moderator. So what is there today? There is nothing today. There is the chill pill day, I guess. So we just, will have $1,200 in our account, and then we will just end this week with that amount, right? So this is how the actual trading look like, right? So you won't have any winning streaks going on like 7, 7, 8 days winning. That is the possibility. Yes, we could have that same winning streak upcoming in the streams also. But for now, just because the reason behind is why we are not facing that winning streak is just because the consolidation of price. And yeah, it is not the consolidation, but the momentum is not good. The momentum, you can able to see a very great push, again covering it up, okay, trapping sellers, again making them out, so breaking out, again coming back, again breaking out, again coming back, again breaking out, again coming back. So this is the move which we are in stuck with this week, and for that reason we are not having a good winning streak. And yeah, it is okay, it is totally fine, because it is the way it should be done, right? So just chill pill, nothing to worry about. We are doing great, and of course we are going to pass this account. We are going to make a live payout. Okay, so I'm expecting around $5,000 to $3,000 live payout from this account, and I will show you it is possible if you give it a good time, and if you give it a good discipline, it is very much possible. And guys, trust me, only 100k prop firm account in your MT5 could change everything for you. That could be a good booster, that could be a good start of your equity, right? So make sure you go very slowly there, you follow your discipline, you follow the process, you don't rush the process, and everything will be aligned. Okay, कर्म किए जा, फल की अपेक्षा मत कर, दैट तो मतलब वो मुझे आपको कहना है, ठीक है? So I don't even care if it takes 2 or 3 months to pass this account or get to the payouts. It's still chill and fine and fine. Okay, so from to be very honest now, this week I did not get any A plus setup. I was risking on my B setup, you can say that, and that is the reason I'm facing quite good loss. But it did not hurt our account. That is very important, because we manage risk management as our priority, money management is my priority. Okay, and so is the reason you can see that even after facing two conservative no, two constant losses, we are still into the plus, like we are still into the positive side of the account, right? So it's okay. So we are doing extremely good. No hit rates, please. What the fuck are you talking about? I can see big. What big? I'm building myself, right? Guys, also one thing I want to discuss here is, okay, I will take time to discuss it. Okay, okay, that's nothing. Sorry. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah, big, yeah, big things in future. That means, yeah, absolutely correct. Guys, is it good if I, keep streams on the if is it good if I keep the streams in English, or it is good if I keep changing the languages? Because yesterday I have a suggestion that I should be holding only one language and continuing on that. And my Hindi is not that good because my friends were belonging from Yaraudas and very no, okay, I won't take any name. So yeah, so blessings of them. I have a very rough Hindi, and then Marathi is the problem where not everyone could understand properly. So what I should do, you tell me. Guys, आपको एक प्रॉब्लम फेस फेस कर रहे हो क्या? अगर हम अकाउंट स्विच करते हैं अपने MT5 में, तो इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू लोड. नो कनेक्शन ही दिखाता है साला. और इज इट जस्ट मी फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम? there's nothing we can do here. अरे यार मुझे लाइव चैट नहीं दिख रहा. Okay, so you guys are telling me to continue in Marathi or the Hindi bola second as Kyle as it is English. Okay, मन से read, no मन से reads please. जैसे सब मिक्स अप वैसे ही चलने दो हिंदी मराठी एंड इंग्लिश. Do like the stream guys, please guys, do like the streams please. As it is. No, we love the streams. Thank you guys. So what? So इसमें से अभी कंक्लूजन क्या निकालूं? कंक्लूजन यही होगा, मैं मिक्सअप करूंगा सब कुछ, ठीक है. अंडरस्टैंडेबल तो होगा ऑफ कोर्स, जस्ट थोड़ा सा फ्लुएंसी नहीं बन पाएगी. एंड ऑफ कोर्स रोज 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 आके वो प्रैक्टिस करके फ्लुएंसी बढ़ जाएगा. तो नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट देयर आल्सो. ओके, वहाँ पे भी एकदम प्रॉपरली रिस्क मैनेज है अपना. ये लिटरली स्विच करना पड़ रहा है. मिक्स ही रखेंगे, ठीक है, दैट इज श्योर. चिल. बाप रे, कुछ तो मूवमेंट कर ले भाई. वहाँ का वही है यार. पिछले पिछले हाउ मच. It's been 7 hours, dude. ओके चलो इधर से भी अगर लेते हैं 1 2 3 4 5, 5 घंटा वहीं पे कुछ भी हुआ नहीं है. सो देखते हैं H4 का. देखो क्लोजिंग अभी 40 मिनट में मिल जाएगा. सो इफ इट ट्राइज टू फ्लिप तो डे कैंडल भी फ्लिप होगा एंड H1 में इसके ऊपर अपने को बाइंग मिलेगा. इसके बाद में M30 we could get the structures, M15 we will get the structures, M5 we will get the structures. ठीक है, as easy as it is. Also, the momentum is still into the buys. Of course, we are into the buys. We are into the bulls market. आपको कहा है अगर यहाँ से अगर ब्रेक होता है then only we can able to see sells, good sells. Otherwise, we are still into the buys. Yeah. तो गाइस कुछ कंफर्मेशंस नहीं आ पा रहे, वी आर नॉट एबल टू get any confluence for buying. हाय हिल, हाउ आर यू? ये वीक में परेशान किया है, प्राइस गुड कंफर्मेशंस नहीं मिल रहा। यस, गुड कंफर्मेशंस नहीं मिल पा रहा है। भैया अकाउंट कहाँ पर है? मैंने कल स्ट्रीम्स मिस करी आपकी। कल स्ट्रीम्स के वीडियोस पे जाके देखो क्या किधर है, वहाँ पे सब दिखाया गया है। और ये स्ट्रीम्स होने के बाद यू कैन रिवाइंड द स्ट्रीम्स गाइस। उसका नाम हिल, आपको दिख जाएगा। So we are still moving toward the downside, guys, and no, there is no confluence coming out. Okay, so price is also doing the same thing, which is not expected, which we are not expecting. And if it start to continue this way now, then I don't think we will have any orders today also as well. Just because it is stuck between the area and it is consolidating, and for that reason we are not able to see any good trade, right? So we'll wait for it to give the confirmation of the trend, give the confirmation of the structures, and that way we can easily be able to see a good confirmations for sales or buys. ठीक है? भाई आज कुछ तो न्यूज़ रिलीज होने वाली है, तो वी विल डू व्हाट इज, we'll just wait more for half an hour. If there is a good momentum, we'll continue, or else we'll just not continue today. Okay, just because ट्रेड लेना है या फिर आज बस बैठेंगे नहीं, कुछ तो करेंगे, दैट इज अनदर वे ऑफ फोमो, और वो फोमो मुझ में है नहीं। तो चिल करते हैं ना, अगर नहीं मिलता है तो नहीं मिलता है गाइस, क्या ही कर सकते हैं। और मेरे स्क्रीन पे कुछ भी लाइव चैट्स दिख नहीं रहे हैं गाइस, सो आई एम नॉट एबल टू एग्जैक्ट सी व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन देयर। So we have a closure of 30 minutes, which is not good. ठीक है, it shows that the volume inside the candle is very weak. Also 15 minutes into the consolidation again, and 5 minutes won't respect any structure. So guys, today I am not able to see anything, and I think we should just skip today. We'll come on Monday. Okay, new week, new opportunity, and at I guess 7 or 7:30 there's a news coming on. So be aware because gold could move heavily. Okay, and so just let's see. Okay, सर ने भी टोपी टोपी का घालता। एक्चुअली प्लानिंग टू ग्रो माई हेयर्स। ठीक है, सो बेसिकली मेरे बाल जो है वो सब मतलब कर्ली, आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद कर्ल्स, एंड उस हिसाब से मुझे एक हेयर स्टाइल करनी है, एंड आई एम प्लानिंग फॉर दैट। और वो जो बीच में का वो जो जोन होता है जहाँ पे बहुत अगली फेस होता है जब तुम ग्रो करते हो, तो वो चल रहा है मेरा, इसलिए आई एम जस्ट वेयरिंग अ कैप फॉर द फ्रेशनेस एंड दैट्स ऑल। और मुझे अच्छी भी लगती है और मुझे पसंद भी है, और एक चीज़ है। ठीक है, चलो देन वी वोंट टेक एनी ट्रेड टुडे, विल मिस द स्ट्रीम्स, विल जस्ट वेट फॉर द मंडे, विल वेट फॉर good week to come, and eventually we will just get done with this week with the 1.2% print profits. So still good with this thing. Okay, so it's chill guys, we are still into the profits, and that is how trading should go, right? So the graph is also moving towards the downside, but we are still up above this equity, so we have eventually win. And even after not even after the risk reward did not played properly, we face slippages a lot, and then two stop loss, and yeah, so we are at $1,200 on this week. Win ratio has decreased for 43%, average loss, profit factor 1.25, which is less, of course we'll raise it. And this is what, yeah, so we skipped this days, we had this profit of $2,000, then $1,500 loss yesterday, $1,800 loss. Still we are just risking our profits, so it is a good thing. Okay, all right guys, see you then on Monday. I really hope you are loving the streams, you are loving the content, you are loving everything, and I'm giving the best as I can. I've been the most transparent thing you could ever see on YouTube or social medias, and I really hope you have a great weekend. I really wish you all a great weekend. Okay, so thank you all guys for joining here, coming here, supporting me, and do not forget to share the streams, share the channel, and let's grow big. As this is on my t-shirt, and it says big fight. Okay, so it says big flights, so that is how it's supposed to be. All right guys, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.